5:15 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms. Life-threatening flash flooding.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Cumberland County, central Harnett County, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fayetteville, Millington, Dunn, Godwin, Irwin, Eastover, Wade, Falcon, Linden, Anderson Creek, Timberlake, and Raven Rock State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, and Harnett.